On a recent trip up to Denali National Park up in Alaska, we went on a tour to see how they train sled dogs, even through the summer months, how they take the dogs and they hook them up to a sled and they'll let them do a run just to try to keep them active throughout the entire season so that they can, not just in the winter, be out there attached to a sled. They do this throughout the summer as well. As you can see, these dogs absolutely love to be hooked up to the sled. They just get so excited.
Ken is one of our biggest dogs, but he's also a great leader. So he oftentimes will be in lead position and in lead position.
Sorry, John. Wow.
And he's pretty fast too. Looking pretty good there, Ken. And then our next little dog here, that's Cash. She's probably one of our smallest, but she's mighty.
Boy.
She's the dog I get to walk. I love her, but she's super fast.
Yeah, she is fast.
Next up, we have Sultana. Sultana is one of the older dogs in the bunch. She, I think, really loves being a sled dog. I think the rest of her litter is being retired this year, but I think we might keep her on another year. She's also mother to quite a few dogs here in the yard.
Aw.
And then Polly, some of you might have met Polly a little earlier. She's one of our peppy dogs. Right there in the front.
Goodness. How excited he is. Look at the tail. Look at the tail.
Last year, he's so much wants to come.
Please get the wind down there.
Oh my goodness.
Very exciting.
The little one in the middle. The second round.
Come on, Finn. Come on, Cash.
Aw.